Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in the series of word versus word. Today we're going to cover two words: concerned versus worried. What's the difference? Watch the video and find out. So I'm still here wandering around Vigan City in the Philippines, and in this episode I wanted to show you guys the dancing water fountain. So check this thing out. Okay, so we have our two words, concerned and worried. Let's start with concerned. All right. Concerned is a word that we would use for someone that we care about, that we have a deeper feeling for, or we can use it when we are really aware of the outcome or we have some detailed information about something. So for example, if my grandma was in the hospital and I wanted to say to her that I was concerned for her, it would be much better than if I said I'm worried about her. Concern shows that I know a little bit more details about what could happen. All right. With worried, we would use worried with maybe somebody that we don't know so well, like maybe a coworker. So if my coworker got sick and I might say to him, "Hey, I'm just calling you up because I was worried about you." You could say concerned, but you can use worry if it's like a stranger. And also with worried, we use worried when we're not exactly sure what the outcome would be of something. So versus concerned we sort of know what the outcome could be, but with worried we're not sure what the outcome could be, which creates worry. Makes you worry a lot more than you would if you were concerned. All right, so hopefully that helps. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. The water fountain's awesome, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.